Hi, it's Terry Stevenson from the Builderall team, and I'd like to welcome you to the Creating a Blog training series. In this first video, we'll get a general overview of the blog features in the Pixel Perfect Builder. We're going to take a look at some of the templates, but in this training series, we're going to build a blog from a blank page template. That way, you'll know how to create any kind of blog that you want for your websites. As usual, Builderall makes it easy, so let's get started. Here I am in the Pixel Perfect Builder, and as I look under categories here, I can come down here to this Blog Express, click on it. It brings up quite a selection of blog templates. You can see there's many different kinds of blogs. Here's free ebooks. Here's a blog for an insurance agency. Here's an art gallery. And they're just beautiful blogs. And you can click on the views to see the templates. Here's one on beauty. It's a great dog trainer with a beautiful face of a fun dog there. And you can just keep looking at these. I really love this one. I'll pull it up so you can see it. I think I'm going to build this one at some point. But the template will come up and you can take a look at it. Isn't this a beautiful template? Look at this. I'm just so impressed with the designers. I love the way that hovers and changes color. Very clean. Nice action here. And then it's just very simple, very clean. And then you come down here and here's your blog. That's like the news page with some testimonials below it. So let's say we're interested in this template. We just click on edit. Very quickly it pulls it up in the editor and we can begin editing this blog right away. One of the things that it's a good idea to do is to always take a look at your pages in any layout. And when you click on this layout, you see we have the blog creative marketing layout. Click here and that brings up your page lists. And you'll see that we have two pages. We have a blog and the news page. So this blog is our home page here. And then we also have the news page. So let's click on it. And this is what our news page looks like. You have the title here and your blog post. Very clean. Very nice. We have a register button at the top of each page. Let's go back here to the home page, the main news page. So you'll see this is an anchor page because we can, let's go into preview mode, and you can see this is the About Us, I think. But if we click on our blog, it takes us right down to the blog. Great action there. Scroll back up, and if we click on testimonials, it'll take us to the testimonial. We have a register button here, so the visitor can register to subscribe to the blog. A learn more button, so I'm sure we can configure this button to lead to whatever page we'd like it to lead to. Oh, here's the About Us. So we would just put an anchor point here to bring that About Us down to. So it's a lovely page, it really is. So let's return to edit. Now we're not going to use a template to learn about building a blog, but I love this template so much. I'm just going to name this template and go ahead and save it, because that way I know when I'm ready to build this blog, I'll have it in my sites list. That's a good tip. But as you can see, the templates in the Pixel Perfect Builder are beautiful. But we're building this blog from a blank page template. Now, some of the things that you'll want to pay attention when you're looking at layouts is you're going to come over here and click on the layout, and here you'll see in this layout we just have the two pages, and this is a blog layout. So the home page is the blog itself, and then we also have the news page. And you can see we can position this any way we like. You can move it around. This is actually the article on a news page. If you come over here, see how that blue dotted line is highlighting the box that is holding all of these other elements. You'll see we have several different elements here on the sidebar, but they're all contained in an invisible box. So we can position that anywhere on our page that we like as well. So you really can customize exactly what you want with the Pixel Perfect, even using these templates. And then another thing that will help you decipher how you want to build something, when you find a blog like this that you really like, you can come in here and you can kind of reverse engineer it. See, I'm going to click on an element now, and I can right click, and it tells me that inside this invisible box here, this element is a news element. Right here, this is a categories filter element. Of course, here, that's a news search element. Down here, we have a text box, of course. This element is actually a gallery, a news gallery. And down here, that's a Facebook page element. So when you find something you like, I can reverse engineer this page quite easily. I can right click here. I can find out that this element is an app, a news app. I can discover all the elements that are in this invisible box here, pick the ones I want, add them, customize it, and add it. And I can reverse engineer just about any template. So that's why we're going to learn how to create our blog and design our blog using a blank page. So I'm back here in the Pixel Perfect editor. We've taken a look at the Pixel Perfect templates for blogs, and we've gotten familiar with the elements we're going to use to create our blog. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we'll create a new blog with a blank template.